They will confess. They will break their silence. They will speak what their soul has been screaming into the void every night while they lay awake. Right now, I am pulling in their energy like a magnet. My love is not ordinary. My love is soul deep. They feel it. They know it. I am the one. I am unforgettable. I am in their mind the moment they wake up. I am their last thought before they fall asleep. I show up in their dreams. They see my name everywhere. They hear my laugh in quiet moments. They miss me. They miss me so badly it physically aches. This is fate. This is soul. This is divine timing. They are feeling the pull. They remember how safe I made them feel. They remember the calm. They remember how much I touched parts of them they never let anyone else see. Their heart is already mine. Nothing feels right without me in their world. I am the missing piece. They are going to confess. They are coming. They are confessing. They are surrendering to my love. This love is real. This love is meant to be. This love is only just beginning. They are realizing that everything they want is in me. They have already rehearsed their confession in their mind. They have already felt what it's like to tell you everything. They have already felt what it's like to tell me everything. They are ready. Every second that passes, the field between us pulls tighter. Every time I smile, their heart jolts. No one else compares to me. No one else gives them this feeling. No one else brings them peace. No one else touches their soul like I do. They will admit it all. They will tell me that they never stopped thinking about me. They will tell me that they wanted to call 1,000 times. They will tell me they replayed that last conversation over and over, wishing they had said more. They will tell me that they didn't know how to love before me. I have healed. I have leveled up. I have cleared the old wounds. I stand tall in my truth. I have risen to my wholeness. Love meets me at the frequency I have elevated to. They are already moving towards me. They are already writing the words they are afraid to say. They will confess. They will come clean. They will look me in the eyes and finally say, I have always loved you. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they have always loved me to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.